This isn't a real video. AI made it, straight from my phone. So we tested free video generators with this prompt. A cinematic tracking shot of a puppy driving a Lamborghini. Let's go. First up is Whisk. You can find it Whisk. Gives you high-end visuals, clean motion, solid detail, but it only animates in widescreen format and caps you at 10 per a day. Watch carefully to see how to use it. VEO is the fastest, about 1 minute per video, no watermark, and it's unlimited. Quality's mid-range, but looks great in motion. To access this version of it, you go to the YouTube app on your phone, select the plus button, then click Add on the bottom left corner of the screen, then click Create at the top. AI-free video is the most flexible. Text, image, anything. Even TikTok screenshots. Just give it 10 to 15 minutes and refresh to check progress. This has consistent character, image to video, text to image, and a video frame extractor tool to extend the video.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow. Ha ha ha!
Qwen's wand generator. Gives you decent quality in around 5 minutes. Not perfect, but great motion and consistent lighting. To access you, go to the website and go all the way to the right and select Video Generator. It only allows for text to video. Sora is available via the Bing app on the Play Store. Sora's open to everyone now in the US. You get 10 fast generations a month, but even those are taking up to 2 hours for right now. After that, it's slow queue, still free and unlimited though. To access, scroll down to the bottom of the list in the app and select Create Video. ChatGPT can edit or place your character anywhere you want, but only AI-free video can animate any image, even low-res screenshots as long as they are above 300 pixels for each side. This is because the other free video generators often will not allow you to animate images with people in them. Google AI Studio is great for editing images or placing characters in different scenes, and even adding objects or characters to scenes. VEO Google AI Studio. This one's stunning, but you're capped at 5 videos per day, and it usually gives you static camera shots with no way to customize camera movement. Which one looked best to you? Which one is your favorite?
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow. Ha ha ha!